Check out this 2011 BMW 3 Series. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Call today to schedule a test drive.